Natasha, we noticed that it was a bit of a filtered look to the skies there today.
Yeah, certainly. And depending on exactly where you are, right now we're having a really tough time along the coast and really for the western half of our state. A few exceptions, though. If you head up to the mountains, you get above 7,000 feet or so. Good view. You can see the haze out there in the distance, though. Your temperature is 67 degrees. And watch what happens as we go to our camera in Ridgefield, our Alien A camera. There's the sun. Blink and you miss it. 73 degrees right now, and all this smoke in the upper levels of our atmosphere are actually reducing our temperatures today. Getting a little more sunshine here just before it goes down. The Dalles, beautiful sight, picture perfect, and here your air quality is actually in the good category. It's 82 degrees, but that could be changing as soon as we get to tomorrow. So looking at our air quality across the state, noticing near the California border, that's where the worst of it is, in close proximity to those wildfires burning in Northern California in the unhealthy category. But then as soon as you go into the south end of the Willamette Valley, right around Eugene all the way up to Salem, we're in the moderate category. Portland, we're seeing a little bit of a mix between good and moderate due to those PM2 levels. So overall, we don't have a whole lot of mixing taking place. If we had more of the upper level winds mixing down below, I think we'd see a bigger difference in our air quality. But at this point, we're holding tight between moderate and good. There is an air quality advisory, however, that will be in effect lasting through Saturday for portions of north central and central Oregon. You can see the air quality advisory does include the Dalles. It includes Maupin, Tye Valley, Culver, Madras, and Warm Springs. So let's take a look at where that smoke is going to go. Again, a lot of this is representing not what's happening necessarily at the surface, but what's happening up above us. Watch those winds still out of the south for the next few days. A little bit of a change from the southeast momentarily on Saturday, but then look at that push from the west-northwest. That'll be late Saturday night into Sunday, giving us some better clarity, not just down below, but up above. So some blue skies out there. We get to Sunday night, though, most of that smoke is transitioning off to the east. So not everybody is going to be celebrating. It'll take some time before we really get things to kind of mix out. We need more rain. We truly do. Your temperature right now in Portland is 81. Wind out of the west at just 3 miles per hour, dew point 55. Winds right now also very light out of the west to northwest, anywhere from 5 to 3 miles per hour, about 8 miles per hour for you. Very calm out there. So what's going to happen at the coast tonight? Some areas of fog developing again. Some areas of drizzle even possible early in the morning, again, right at the coastline. Not expecting that for inland valley locations. We get to Friday night, most areas will be clear with the exception, of course, of some of that wildfire smoke. Let's talk about our heat index for a second. Of course, without this smoke, our temperatures would be much hotter. In fact, tomorrow's October 1st, and we'll get up to about 84. We would likely be getting up to 90 degrees if it weren't for that smoke. And then as soon as we get on through the rest of the day, that temperature will be falling back into the low 70s. Here's your 7-day forecast. Notice the cool down for us by Sunday, a high of 72. We'll stick with the 70s for next week. But again, you can see there's no rain in this forecast.
Yeah, pretty warm and dry, Natasha. Thank you.